Mechatronics, and I got placed for Maruti Suzuki, which is one of the best companies for placement here. And I'm very happy that I'll join the company for which in the market every next car belongs to Maruti Suzuki, and it is a multinational company, so it is a very proud moment for me. Thank you so much.
My name is Avshish Karki. I am from Mechanical Department. I completed my diploma in ATC and I got placed in Maruti Suzuki. I feel very happy that I got placed in Maruti Suzuki. It's a very big company, it's a multinational company, and it has the best placement in this college. Thank you.
My name is Anil Kumar. My trade name is Diploma in Manufacturing Technology. This is a core branch of engineering mechanical. So I was selected in Maruti Suzuki company. It is a multinational company. I am so happy because I have to select in a Maruti Suzuki company. I am feeling good. Thank you.
My name is Prakash Thakur from Mechatronics third year. I have been placed in Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and I am very proud of that, getting job in Maruti Suzuki, as it is a multinational company in India. So I am very glad and interesting to do job in that multinational company. Thank you.
My name is Nikhil Prasad. I am pursuing diploma in mechatronics from FTC, and I have got placement in Alembic Pharmaceutical Company, and I am happy about that I got placed in that company, and I would like to thank ATTC for this wonderful journey.
My name is Vishnu Prasad Sapkota and from Mechanical Department. I am selected in Alembic as an apprentice training, and I am happy with the Alembic Pharmaceutical Company. I am working with it.
My name is Sundar Prasad. I am from Diploma in Manufacturing Technology, and I got placement in pharmaceutical at Alembic company, and I am happy with this job. Thank you.
My name is Saurabh Kumar Singh, and I have done diploma from Tool and Die, and my college was Advanced Technical Training Center, and I have been placed in CTIM in Chennai. It's a core company of Tool and Die, where I can learn many things about molding machine, injection molding, etc. And I feel very good for this, for being placed in CTIM. It's a proud moment for me. Thank you.
My name is Sushant Sharma. I am from Tool and Die. I have just completed my post-diploma from Advanced Technical Training Center. I got placed in STM Naya, is based on Chennai. This company related on the molding company and injection. We get idea of the lots of injection molding, blow molding, rotation molding, this kind of process we are using in this company.
And how do you feel about this?
I feel proud that we have got placed in far away, but we are going to get good experience from this institute. We have got a good placement in from our field for that, and thank you to ATTC.
My name is Bilal Kumar. I have done a diploma in tool and die making from Sikkim, and I placed in a CTMIL from Chennai. This was my core company. It was a molding company where we can learn about molding machine and die casting parts. My interest in this company was very more, so I placed in this company, and that's all.
My name is Zipa Chiragutya, and I am from Civil Department. I got replacement from Civil Company, Sikkim Mining Industry, and I am very thankful to everyone. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anurag, and I am a final year student of ATTC in Mechanical Department, and I have been placed in CIPLA, and I am very happy to be placed in CIPLA. Thank you.
Hi, I am Chandan Sharma. I am from student of Mechanical Engineering. I have got placed in SMIT as a junior engineer in Mechanical Department. I am very happy to get this job. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nasib Alam. I am from Mechanical Department. I am placed in SMIT as a junior engineer. Now I am feeling very happy and proud as I got placed in SMIT. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kumar
Chite, and I'm from Rabangla, and I'm doing mechanical engineering final year. I've completed it, and I got placed in Sci-Fi Technology, and I'm happy. Thank you.